Welcome back, everyone. Today, I'm feeling Bond, James Bond. Today, we're making his cocktail, the Vesper. We're gonna start off with half an ounce of Lillet Blanc. The original cocktail more so calls for Cocchi Americano. I don't have that, so Lillet Blanc does substitute nicely, just FYI. Then we're gonna use half an ounce of vodka. And then 2 ounces of gin. And then we're gonna add ice and we're gonna stir till about roughly the ice is halfway gone from where we started. I dropped a cube.
Saw that.
You see nothing. So this particular cocktail originally showed up in the movie Casino Royale. If you guys have ever seen it, he does always say that he prefers it shaken, not stirred, but it doesn't have citrus in it, so it should be stirred. So today we're gonna stir it. Maybe we'll make it shaken at some point, but today we're stirring it, in case y'all were curious. Okay. I'm going to give it a quick taste to see if the dilution is where we want it to be. It's actually not too bad. All right, and then I haven't done this for most of my cocktails, but I did add ice to my martini glass and stirred it a little bit just to get the chilled effect of the martini glass. All right. Oh, I was like, I lost my julep strainer. All right, I'm going to use our julep strainer. We're going to strain into that chilled martini glass. Beautiful. We are going to take a lemon peel. We're going to express it over the top. I like to give it a nice rub just to get rid of that Whoa! We're not talking about it.
Went for a dip.
It did. Whoopsies. It's very excited about the cocktail. And then last but not least, for our garnish, we're going to take a lemon twist. And we're going to actually just put that right into the cocktail. Beautiful. And there we have the Vesper. All right. As always, I'm going to taste the cocktail. I'm going to rate it. I'm going to tell you my honest opinion. And then, I already said I was going to rate it. I'm having
So you're gonna rate it.
Well, I tasted it already.
One is you have one.
Thank you. I was like, what comes next? All right. 1 is I would have 1 cocktail, move on. 5, I would drink this all night and hate myself in the morning. Let's see if I can hold up to the master of James Bond. Obviously, it smells very lemony starting out. You can actually see the lemon oil sitting on the top. I'm not going to lie. How James Bond drank this and then shot people accurately, I will never know. That gonna mess you up.
Well, have you ever actually seen James Bond finish a Vesper?
That's a good point.
Yeah. I think he's usually interrupted. He takes one sip and it's like, oh, that's good.
Yeah, no kidding. So, needless to say, James Bond, man, like, you got some hair on your chest. Because, I cannot live up to James Bond. This is definitely not a cocktail for me. If you couldn't tell right out of the gate, it's very, very strong. And I get it, like a martini is supposed to be strong. I do taste the Lillet Blanc. So it does have a light bit of like a citrusy flavor to it coming from that. But then the rest is just a whole lot of vodka and gin. So, yeah. This is gonna be a half for me.
Can you do that?
It's my channel. I can do whatever I want.
Oh, that's fair.
It's gonna be a half out of 5. Because I'm not gonna lie, if I ordered this, granted, let's just be real, I don't think I would ever order this. Just gonna throw it out there. But if I ever order this, there's no way I would be able to drink this. It would take me all night. There's no way I'd be able to finish this. And it's a good point. I don't think I've ever seen James Bond actually finish his cocktail. That's what, dude, I'm warm.
Yeah.
I'm warm all the way through. Like, I took a tiny,
This would be when you'd ask me, oh, yeah, can you help me finish this? I'd say, nope.
Yes, that's an accurate statement. So there you have it. It's a 0.5 out of 5 for me. I'm sorry, James Bond. I can't do it. It is what it is. Of course, if my face gave you any inclination of you wanting to make the cocktail, the ingredients are listed down below. That way you can build the cocktail at home. Let me know what your thoughts are. Can you hold up to the master that is James Bond and drink his Vesper? Otherwise, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you all at the next pour. Cheers.